This is a train tracking and travel production. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. On a hot July day, I was in downtown Renton next to Hauser Way, where I was waiting on BNSF's Renton rocket to run down the middle of the street. Aside from the intriguing street running operation, this line also handles traffic to the Boeing Renton Factory. More specifically, trains haul Boeing 737 fuselages from Spirit AeroSystems in Wichita, Kansas to Seattle. They are then transferred to the rocket job to be taken up to the Boeing plant here. Historically, this line was used by the Pacific Coast Railroad Company to haul coal, was later a part of the Milwaukee Road's Pacific Extension, and was a piece of BNSF's Woodinville Subdivision between here and Snohomish. Today, the line is just a branch line that serves only Boeing and Republic Services, a local waste company. Today, the train is being towed by BNSF 1779, an SD-40-2, and 2642, a GP39-2R. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.